We have new safety ratings for the 2022 Volkswagen Taos. This vehicle missed out on our 2022 top safety pick for several reasons. One of the issues was the head restraint evaluation. Our head restraint evaluation assesses the ability of a seat and head restraint to protect an occupant from whiplash type injuries, and the Taos received an acceptable rating. While it did receive a good geometry rating, it came up short in our dynamic evaluation because it did not protect the head and neck early in the crash. Keeping the head and neck aligned with the body during the rear impact is an important strategy for reducing whiplash injuries. The Taos also received an acceptable rating in our passenger side small overlap crashworthiness evaluation and did receive a good rating in 4 of our other crashworthiness evaluations. For full safety ratings, please visit our website.